Optimum mobile phones are typically sold locked to their network. This is standard practice to ensure customers fulfill their service or installment plan obligations. However, the good news is that Optimum Mobile does allow you to unlock your phone if you meet certain eligibility requirements. Once unlocked, you can use your phone on other compatible GSM networks like AT&T or T-Mobile. Let's break down what it takes to get your Optimum mobile phone unlocked. To unlock your Optimum mobile phone, you generally need to meet these conditions. Your device must be fully paid off with no outstanding balance. Your account must be in good standing. For prepaid plans, you typically need at least 12 months of service, though this may be waived if you fully paid for the phone early. Also, the phone can't be reported lost, stolen, or linked to fraud. Unlocking is straightforward. Log into the Optimum mobile app or website. Find the Device Unlock section. Enter your phone's IMEI number, found in your phone settings or on the original box. Submit the request. If approved, you'll receive an unlock code via email or SMS. If you need help, call Optimum customer service at 1-844-OPTIMUM. Avoid third-party unlocking services, as they can void your warranty or introduce security risks.